Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing for you, and this is the brand or a house that is very very unknown and almost nobody talks about them, and it's a shame because they make such a beautiful fragrances for very affordable prices, and they are very good performers as well. So it's all about win-win situation, but I don't know why nobody talks about this brand. So this brand is called Laurence Dumont. Is from France. It's a French perfume company, and they are niche company. So for a niche under £40, that is a bargain. Anyway, so I bought this, on I think it was on eBay for less than £40, and this one is from their Les Senteurs Gourmandes line. The Les Senteurs Gourmandes line is a gourmand line, as it says in French, and their their main focus is on vanilla. So vast majority of this line is based on vanilla and other nuances on top. So this one particularly is called Vanille Bourbon. So it's a bourbon vanilla, and I was very curious the second I saw that. I personally loved one of their perfumes before and I reviewed it, and it's called Vanille Noir, which is this beauty. It's Vanille Noir. This one is smoky, spicy, chestnutty vanilla perfume, which is absolutely gorgeous and is long lasting and is very affordable again. So because of this one I went with this to see how they're doing. So this one is Eau de Perfume 100 ml in the United Kingdom under £40, sometimes even cheaper. So before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. And let's see if this one is going to be a hidden gem. Sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing you can't do anything about it. Their presentation and boxing are very simple, which is what I like. I always say this in my videos: give me a simplest presentation but give me a very good juice, I'll be very happy. But if you give me the most elaborate presentation and the juice is not good, it's going to be a waste of money, waste of time, waste of effort. So for that I praise this company because they're doing a minimalistic job in terms of presentation. Boxes are very simple, cardboard, does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle, and the bottles are all the same as this, which is a cylinder bottle, but they look good. They're quite a heavy bottle, and they are basically classic, on the classical side but on the simple side of things. So let's see the bottle on this one. Yeah, the bottle is exactly the same but different coloring. So this one is like a gold color or amber color, quite a bright amber color. That one is, the first one was very dark, as you can see, and this one is much brighter. So let's see. The caps are again plastic, but it doesn't matter because again it protects the atomizer, and the atomizer is gold and modern. And here we go. Not bad. It does the job. It's not perfect but it's okay. Alright, so how is the first impression for Vanilla Bourbon by Laurence Dumont? And this one is Les Senteurs Gourmandes Vanille Bourbon Eau de Perfume 100 ml. They all target unisex, and here we go. Woo! So as it says, Vanilla Bourbon is dominated by vanilla. The vanilla is the dominant player, the star of the show, is the centerpiece, and what a beautiful vanilla is in this. Although for this price point we're not expecting natural ingredients or 100% natural ingredients. But the good thing about this house, with this brand, is that their perfumes smell quite natural, which is amazing for the price. So in this one, the vanilla smells or gives me the impression of being very, very natural. Yeah, beautiful vanilla in here. Again, vanilla is the centerpiece, is the main player. So you need to like your vanilla to enjoy this. Majority of the perfumes in this line are vanilla dominant, and this one shows again. I'm getting a hint of chocolate in here. Yeah, hint of chocolate, hint of nuttiness as well, and also a little bit of muskiness on the toner. But again, vanilla is the big player, but maybe 60-70% or maybe 80% vanilla, and the rest are nuances, just get to give it a different dimension and different interesting nuance. So vanilla is all about vanilla. Wow, beautiful. I'm smelling something like coconut in here. Yes, let's go on the coconutty side, because usually coconut in the perfumes, it gives me the impression of bread for some reason. When I smell perfumes which they have vanilla and sorry, the coconut in them, I smell something like a bread or a what do you call it, a banana cake. Usually banana cake smells like this. Anyway, so I'm getting a little bit of coconut in here, a little bit of spiciness, hint of spiciness, not too much, and also a little bit of muskiness overall, hint of fruitiness to it, very, very small amount. Yeah, a little bit of fruitiness, but it's like a dry fruit rather than the fresh fruit. And also vanilla is the biggest player. After vanilla is that coconut, and also a little bit of floral feel to it as well. Hint of floral, not too much. Yeah, hint of floral. Again, these things are all nuances. The centerpiece is vanilla. So bourbon vanilla here is the centerpiece, and it's shining and it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's very smooth. It's very rounded. It's very well blended. The second it opened up gorgeous fragrance. I'm not a huge fan of vanillas, but for some reason this house in this brand, it just gravitates me. As I said, when I bought this, I was absolutely in love with this one, and I still am. Which is, this one is a Vanille Noir. This one again is a very spicy, dark, smoky, chestnutty vanilla. Very, very beautiful. It smells like Christmas basically. So because of that one, I went for this, and there is no regret. It's basically it's gorgeous, and it's very, very beautiful. But again, you need to like your vanilla to enjoy this, because this is dominated by vanilla. Okay, let me redo the ingredients and we'll take it from there. So the ingredients, according to Fragrantica, on top we have vanilla, yes, obviously. In the mid we have toffee, anise, and red berries. Okay, so toffee I'm getting more like chocolate rather than toffee. Yeah, it's about more chocolatey feel to it. Anise, hint of spiciness in here. Again, not too much. That anise giving it a little bit of spicy nuance to giving it that interesting facet. But I'm smelling something like cinnamon. Yeah, I'm smelling cinnamon as well. So anise, yeah, a little bit, but cinnamon is even bigger than anise in here. Red berries, again, as I said, it has got a little bit of fruity aspect to it, but it's not obvious, and also is like a dry fruit rather than fresh fruit. So berry, maybe hint of berry in here, but again it's nuances rather than a big player. Coconut, yes, it is very, very apparent. So after vanilla is the coconut is a big player, and a hint of muskiness. This says musk in the base, which is a hint of muskiness, but is very, very clean. So overall this is quite a clean fragrance, but it's very sweet because of that big vanilla in here, the bourbon vanilla, and is a to die for. Is one of the best vanilla perfumes out there for a price under £40. You cannot beat this in any way you shape. The vanilla in here is done superbly well. It's just smooth, it's rounded, it's smell natural, which is crazy, because vanilla in perfumery, vanilla in food is not very expensive. Okay, they extract it for the food, the barks and all these things, but in perfumery is one of the most expensive oils out there, because it's a very, very tedious and long process to extract that perfume oil from the actual vanilla. So for that, it's one of the most expensive materials in perfumery out there. So we're not expecting to be, bourbon vanilla the real thing, because the real thing probably, if they used that one, it would have cost about £300-400 this perfume. Okay, so it's tenth of that. So that means they achieve this smell by mixing so many notes to come up with smell of bourbon vanilla. But the craziest aspect of it is, to my nose, at least for my experience, for my nose, it smells quite natural, which is madness. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so overall, what you get here, if you are going to be interested in this fragrance and you're going to try, obviously if you can try it is better, but if you can't and you're going to blind buy it, you need to like your vanilla first and foremost, because this is dominated by vanilla. When I say dominated, that means 70-80% of the perfume smell in here is vanilla smell. After that is the nuances, is the coconut, so you need to like your coconut to smell it, to like this. After that is the spices and the berry and hint of musk in here. So overall, it's quite a simple composition. It's not very complex, but the beauty of this fragrance is in simplicity. So it's a simple fragrance. When you crave almost pure vanilla smell, this is a superb fragrance for that. To my nose, is absolutely unisex. Anybody can wear it, ladies and men, no problem. It's 50-50 in the middle. That's a correct targeting. And in terms of age, I would say this is ageless. Anybody from 18 to 180 can wear it, no problem at all, because it's such a friendly fragrance. It's very friendly. It's very crowd pleasing. It's very quite modern and trendy at the moment as well. So I think this doesn't have any age to it. In terms of season, this is better suited for cooler weather because that big vanilla in here. And also it's very sweet, between 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest. This is for first impression. It's around 7 to 8, so it's very sweet fragrance. But again, the sweetness in here is done very well with other notes in here to balance it, to not let it run away and become too sweet and too sickly. The only thing is, in a very high heat, it could be cloying, so you have to be careful with the high heat. But I think you can wear it all year round. If you like to wear perfume that smells mainly of vanilla and a water vanilla in here. So majority of what I get big vanilla, yes, and the bourbon vanilla in here is gorgeous. After that is very sweet, and it's a little bit of hint of powderiness in here. Yeah, hint of powderiness, dustiness, not too much. Very big coconut after the vanilla, and after that a little bit of muskiness, and after that is spices, which is mainly cinnamon and maybe a hint of nutmeg in here because it's quite nutty as well, and a little bit of that anise to give it a different dimension and interesting facet. And after that it says caramel. I'm not getting that much caramel. I'm getting more like chocolate than caramel, so it's a little bit on the chocolatey side. And overall this is very gourmand, so you need to like your gourmand fragrances to enjoy this. In terms of occasion, this is very opulent, so you can dress it up going out for evening, for formal occasion. But because the price is right, under £40 is affordable for 100 ml, you can use it anytime you want. You pay for the perfume, you know where to wear it, when to wear it. These things are only recommendation. Okay guys, so highly recommend it for a first impression. Absolutely yes. For what it is, for what it does, for a price, for a smell, for a blend, for a perfumery, this is one of the best out there for what you're paying, what you're getting. I'm very happy to have it in my collection. I give it 2 thumbs up. Very beautiful fragrance for the vanilla lovers, basically. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons, like, subscribe, share this video with others, comment. All these things will help this channel. It helps me to keep coming back, to survive, to stay in this endeavor for longer, to make perfume reviews like this in future that nobody else ever talks about. Okay guys, and if you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'll leave them in the link as well. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker, so there are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in United Kingdom. They're ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They smell great, and they are very artistic and unique, and they are big and bold because I put more than 60% pure perfume oils in my perfumes, which is unheard of, and that makes them huge and big performance as well. Thank you very much. I'll leave them in the link. As always, thank you for watching and supporting this channel and showing me love, and I'll see you later. Bye.